so yeah, come out to City of London today. Show you around. Square mile rush hour is UK's financial centre, more or less, popularly known as the Square Mile. So I'm just gonna go around a bit. I don't think I can do it all. Huge, massive. This used to be the financial centre, the only one, before Canary Wharf was built. So yeah, come along with me. Just gonna try and point out some important places, and yeah, it's not really much to see apart from just very important places like Bank of England and etc. Yeah. So come along, let's see what we can find. All right, starting from here. Okay, so we've got this university here. There's I think there's another one, maybe 2 or 3 actually, I can't remember. But this is one of the universities right in the middle of the financial district. This one is called London Metropolitan, yeah. So if you come into UK to study, it's not really a bad place, because you're more or less, especially if you study in finance, you're more or less in the right place. Most of the guys that graduate from here usually end up in the financial center, like the stock exchange, these sort of places. Yeah, because it's just next door, more or less, like walking distance. As you can see there, that's one of the tall buildings. I'm just gonna go right around, and I'll try and show you as I go along. I can't see the top, but we'll see. Yeah, that's just the top up there. Okay, so right, moving on. Yeah, so I'm right at a place called Whitechapel, which is very part of the financial center. Can't really go wrong if you study around here. I think there was Birkbeck University also. I'm not sure. But I know for a fact that there are there's about 2 or 3 universities. That's not big. I've got this cup that I'm trying to chuck away. I just left the coffee shop, so oh. Yeah, so close. I don't know how long that lasts for. It's cold, very cold. So if I feel the cold chill, I'm going to hide somewhere for a few minutes, or call it a day. Right. So. That's shortcut to Liverpool Street Station, which goes to Stansted Airport. You take that route there. You go Whitechapel. It's Whitechapel there. So yeah, don't be surprised, you're gonna see a lot of people walking past, because I'm bang in the middle of rush hour right now, so it's gonna be very busy. I expect it to be very busy. So yeah, let's keep going. It's gonna be a long walk. Right, there's full of around here. It's full of office blocks. Banks, insurance companies. Who else? One or two IT companies or supply chain companies are here based, headquartered. Yeah, in fact, Uber has their office around here, around the corner. Who else do I know? Yeah, mainly banks. At least I can tell you for free that the majority of the headquarters of international banks are based here. Some will have branches here and some will have their branches in Canary Wharf. So, yeah. It's interesting. So you got Oldgate Station. It's similar to, I don't know if you've been, anyone who's familiar with New York. This is very, very close. Very similar in character. Yeah. It's a nice place to put a hotel. If you're doing something in the city, it's a nice place to stay there. Look. The Saint, Hotel Saint. Whoa. You'll turn into a saint if you stay there, hopefully. Okay, so, and the good thing also about here is it's so well planned. If you're working in this area, you will not lack anything in terms of family needs, like schools for kids, nurseries, playgrounds. As you can see, there are a couple of schools around here and nurseries for yuppies, or city workers. You can literally come here with your kids and they'll go to school here. You go to work, you pick them up. Yeah, it's an interesting place. Well, I just thought I'd throw that cup of tea that I had. Okay, so this is like a small square at the completely different end of the city. The City of London is called. Yeah, this area is called Oldgate Square. But I'm not interested in too much of the building. Just would like to show you the effectiveness, the planning, the logistics, and how to make a financial district work, where there are some people that actually live around here. There are some residential apartments, which I guarantee you they will not be cheap at all. They'll probably be rented to companies. or into art. Individuals. Okay, so okay, this is French Street. So you got so I'm going to go down. My plan really is to go down London Bridge and then come back on London Bridge straight into the central bank, the Bank of England, and then Bank of England to Liverpool Street Station, and then down to Shoreditch and end the video there. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful, man. Like I said, this is all good. They all more or less like office blocks. Right, so this street is called French Street. And I'm going to take this route to go over London Bridge. Yeah. As you can see, all these buildings here are just business office blocks, international businesses. See, that's Lloyd's for shipping. You see that? That place is almost 200 to, I think more than that, 200 years old, that building. That is the company that insures, well, that registers most maritime insurance. They deal with maritime insurance and registers ships and cargo ships and etc. etc. Yeah, this is where things happens when it comes to that. And I'm gonna come to a huge building made of steel. It's called the Lloyd's of London, which is also where you will register your big cargo ships internationally. Yeah, so French Street is very famous for that. So there's a station over there. That's French Street Station. Yeah, it's around there somewhere. Alright, let's moving on. Okay, let's go. Alright, this is section AIG. Anybody who's a Man United fan, yeah, remember AIG? This is their building. If you're a Man United fan, I think it's an insurance company, I'm not sure, so you correct me if I'm wrong, but there's AIG building there. Yeah. See here, G. Yeah, a few other big companies have their headquarters here. Oh, check that out. That's brilliant. Excuse my friend, this is just too much. Look at the top there. Can you see like water above you? It's not water, it's just it's got digital art. I don't know if you can actually see the water moving. That's fucking amazing. Okay, so okay, row your boat gently down the sea. Alright, where are we now? Still on Finchurch Street. Yeah, as you can see, some businesses that caters for, well, everything you will find if you were to be living in the local areas here also. You have your coffee shops, shopping malls, like places you could buy anything you ever wanted really. So you're not really missing out on anything. So while you're at work, you can pop out and do a little bit of shopping to take home. But so very well planned, well executed. Wow, look at the shape of that building. Nice. If I can see. O2. typical office blocks. I think. He didn't say exactly if it's owned by one single company, but it's impressive. Yeah, that's Wasabi. You have all your eateries, restaurants, and sushi. That's one of the best sushis in London these days, Wasabi. Okay, so continuing on French. Well, I come up French Street now. I believe this is called. Oh, what am I on? This is, oh, what's the name of this road? Yeah, Grace Church Street. Yeah, this is Grace Church. Okay, Grace Church Street. All right.
Cash is the best.
Right. That direction is where Liverpool Street Station is, where you catch a train to Stansted. So, yeah. All right. That's enough here. Like I said, insurance companies, if you were to be looking for insurance jobs, you wouldn't look any further than around here, really. There's loads of them here. See? Alliance, you must have seen them around. Yeah. It's Grace Church Street. This is their very popular also name when it comes to insurance. And also, this is the middle of rush hour in the city, so it's very busy. There's people going home from work. This is still part of the square mile. This is still part of the financial center. It's huge. Where we are now, where I am now is called the Monument. So this is it, London Bridge, Monument Station. London Bridge. That way I'm gonna walk across the London Bridge and come back up. Then I'll go that way towards Bank. And I'll do the Bank of England. Okay, that's the monument now. That's why this area is called Monument. It's a remembrance to people who died in the war, I think. Okay, I'm gonna move closer to it and take some shots. Then I get back on London Bridge. don't know if you can read that. I'm trying to help you read it. It's like a memorial to matters of the war. I don't know if it's, I think it's the First World War or the Second. I'm not really too bothered about that. It's just, at least there's a monument to the people that died. That's all about one. They're everywhere. Be at one. Not all about one. Be at one. That's a new chain of cocktail bars. I know one about it everywhere. I saw another branch in Camden last time I was there. Okay, this is London Bridge. As you can see, full of offices, office blocks. Street. You see that carriage car inside there? It's beautiful. That's the old car back in the days. I'm gonna try and take a shot of that actually when I live here. So this is it's still rush hour. People rushing home. People with a train to catch, trying to get home to their families, to their loved ones. Yeah, I always wanted to do this. It used to be busier than this. That's because it's gone down since the congestion charges was introduced. So most people don't bring their cars. You know? People just try to stay away from central London, or from the city, more or less. Okay, there's a car. See that? So that long metal thing would be the brakes. Oh my days. That used to be the cars everybody wants to get. I wonder if that man will let me come in and film. Yeah, I was asking him, there's a security guy there, see if he'll allow me to come in, but he says no. See that? Yeah. He says no. Right, so moving on. I'm still here. Monument is the start of London Bridge, and I'm going to try and end the video here. Just before I get to reach London Bridge. Yeah. Let's see what's there. Okay, there's an underpass here. See, they even give you a public lift up and down. Just a lift there to go down. Okay, so guys, see you in the next reads. She'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.